Okay. So yesterday I had a horrible time. It was good and bad. I had about at least 9 hits on my frog, and I must say it was some pretty big bass. Um, they took me deep under the lily pads. I couldn't pull them out because I'm using 10-pound braid. I love the 10-pound braid because it shoots out really far. But when you deep out there and a bass hits it and take you under the lily pads way out there, it's almost impossible to bring him in on 10-pound braid, which I knew already, but I just kept bullshitting around. And yesterday was a day where I wished I had stronger line. So I came today with reinforcements, which is my medium-sized ugly stick, a little bit bigger and thicker than my other poles. But I use this for saltwater, and I have 30-pound braid up here, Power Pro, with my Shimano bait runner, which is 4,500, or no, 4,000, sorry. So I use this for saltwater all the time, never use it for fresh, but today is the day I'm using it for freshwater. Well, let's see what happens. Pretty sure it won't cast as far, but let's see. It's not as far, but it's not that bad. Oh my God. Yeah, we're gonna put this to the test. 30-pound braid. So far, so good. Pulling the fish right through it. It looks like a pickerel. 30-pound braid. Pull the fish right through it. Is he still on? Ah, he's down. It's a bass. 30-pound braid. Pull the fish right the fuck out. Excuse my language. Pull them right out. 30-pound braid. So I guess it does work. I guess that's what you have to do. Yesterday I couldn't pull him out for nothing yesterday. Today I got him. See that? I got him today. Probably like a 2-pounder. Pulled him right out, no problem. Oh, I have a hole, so this might be one of the ones I caught already. Oh, he's a baby. About 1.5 pounds. But he sure hit nice. That I know. Nice. 30-pound braid